welcome back to my channel. On this video we're doing unpopular opinion, so if you're new, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we're going to start with the first unpopular opinion. It says Beyonce is overrated. I agree, but the girl worked hard, so like
I wouldn't say she's overrated. Maybe just a little bit. People just...
But how come they didn't say that about Michael Jackson? Or like Whitney Houston? Like, why is it Beyonce? Because they hear a lot about Beyonce. I mean, I feel like later on in the long run, they're going to say that about Rihanna too. Like a couple years from now. They're going to be like, you don't think so? No. I feel like they're going to say the same thing about Rihanna. Like later on, talking about Rihanna is overrated. I guess. Whatever.
Ketchup should be in the refrigerator.
Not until it's open.
I grew up with ketchup not being in the refrigerator.
Right. But I think once you open it, I mean,
it's still good if you leave it out.
Yeah.
When you put it in the refrigerator,
it
gets
better.
like really cold.
It is cold. And sometimes, depending on what you're eating with it, like you don't need it to be
too cold.
Like,
so I think it should be room temperature.
Yeah, room temperature is fine. Right now, I don't even have my ketchup in the refrigerator, so.
Yeah.
Okay, unpopular opinion. You can love your natural hair and don't want to deal with it. Facts. Facts.
I feel like if you love your natural hair, you should wear it natural. Some people hide it under wigs and braids and stuff. I've never done that.
Yeah, she always wear her. She never wear. I never see you in a wig.
I never wore a wig before.
She never wear a wig.
I never wore a weave before.
Yeah, she always wear her natural hair.
I'm always with my natural hair.
Yeah.
Like,
well, I think I agree with this though.
I don't agree with it because I felt like there was times I didn't want to deal with it, but I still wore it out like it was my hair.
Yeah, but it's like I don't think this goes for everybody. But some people actually wear their natural hair out, and some people wear under wigs. I'm one of those people.
I think if you hide it too much, you just like you hide it because you don't want to.
I don't want to deal with it right now, so that's why I'm wearing wigs, which is fine.
I hate avocados, but I love guacamole.
Okay, so there's a.
That's the thing with avocado. I hate avocados, and I can't eat it at all, even in guacamole. Like I could taste it. Like if I make it for somebody, I could taste it to make sure it's seasoned properly, but I cannot eat it.
You see, I like avocados. I don't say love because I don't eat it like a lot, but I like avocados. But so the guacamole thing, I don't eat it like that. I don't really eat guacamole, so I don't know about that one. Unpopular opinion: a lot of rappers suck. Their beats are just amazing.
I think that's true.
Yeah, I like the beats most of the time. But except for Drake don't suck.
Some of the lyrics just be crazy.
I actually listen to Drake lyrics. I be hearing like he makes sense to what he be talking about. These other rappers, I don't know what they be talking about. First of all, the accent is what throw me off. So it's like I'll be confused and I'm like, huh? What he say? So I don't know. You agree or not? Yeah.
I agree about Drake.
Yeah, Drake is. Okay, unpopular opinion. I had more fun in middle school than high school. I guess. I don't know what more fun is, but I don't think I had fun in none of those.
No, I think I had more fun in high school though.
In high school? I definitely had fun in high school, so. I don't remember having fun in middle school either.
No, I had fun in high school. No, my middle school was like a couple of blocks away from my house. But my high school,
Yeah, mine too. My middle school was a
miles
couple of blocks
away.
Couple miles away. Oh,
Yeah,
oh, okay. Okay, got you.
So, you know.
Oh,
It was
okay.
fun. No. And we used to cut class because it was right by Prospect Park. We used to go Prospect Park.
Oh, y'all was being little.
We used to, no, we wasn't being nasty.
No. I'm just saying, bad because that's what
We
you
was
call
just
in class.
being
I just
high school kids. Yeah, I had more fun in high school, definitely.
Unpopular opinion: don't expose your kids to phones and tablets so early on. It's effing with them and making them antisocial and weird.
No, my child is not antisocial at all. And the reason why she got these devices is so she could leave me alone. Like, for real.
I mean, I don't know, because my situation is different. My son he loves tablets and stuff because he's autism, so it's not gonna make them. I guess he's antisocial because he's autistic. So I mean, I don't really agree with this, but I guess.
No, when it's time to play, my daughter plays. She'll play with, whoever. She'll make friends, she'll play. But at home, when I want to relax, she's going to get the tablet. Because I don't want to be bothered sometimes.
Hey, girl.
But I do have limits on it. Like,
Yeah.
she can't be on it all day.
It's hard for my son though, because I don't know. I try to do it right, because it's different with him.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. Unpopular opinion: most overrated movie. Nigga played her and put her second every time until he literally couldn't do anything and then settled for her. Oh, Love and Basketball. That's the most overrated movie. I don't think so. They said the nigga played her and put her second every time until he literally couldn't do anything and then settled for her. That part is true. That part is true, but I don't think it's overrated. Is it?
I don't think it's overrated.
I don't think it's overrated. Yeah. Unpopular opinion: water has taste. All water tastes different, and if you don't like water, you need to grow up.
All water
does taste different. Yeah,
all different bottled water taste.
Yeah, they don't have the same.
The best bottled water I think is Fiji. I like the taste of Fiji water.
Fiji. Actually, which one I liked? I don't think it was Fiji. I think it was Essential. I had tasted it, I think, 2 times.
I'm not sure if I ever tasted that.
I think I tasted Fiji 1 time. I think Essential tastes better to me.
You ever had Evian?
No, I never had that one. It tastes good?
I mean, no, I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I guess some people do, but I don't like it. To me, it tastes like, I don't know, maybe because it has a lot of minerals in it. It tastes like dirt. It has a weird taste.
Wow.
And then there's another water called something from Italy or something.
Italy? Oh, what is that?
Panna or something. I can't remember the name of it, but that one also tastes like dirt.
Okay. Unpopular opinion. I agree with this. Stop disrespecting teachers like you think you cool, like you all cool and all. Just shut up and do your work. Okay, this question is something, I don't know what it says. High school edition. Me, I don't know about nobody else, but I used to feel bad. I used to feel so bad when kids used to disrespect the teachers in the classroom. Tell them to shut up and all this stuff. I'm like, who raised these people? Because you can't do that shit in Jamaica.
Exactly.
You cannot. I'm like, I would have to have so much sympathy for them. I feel so bad for them. And they'd be like in every classroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll be the only one to sitting there like, wow, these kids really.
I had a Spanish teacher, but she was black.
Mm-hmm.
And this guy, I don't know, he was disrupting the class.
Mm-hmm.
And then he kept, and then she kicked him out. She called security and kicked him out. And he was like, oh, F this class. Jamaicans don't speak Spanish anyway because she was black, but she wasn't Jamaican.
So he was Jamaican?
No, just because she's black.
Oh my God!
Jamaican.
Really?
But she wasn't black. I can't remember what country she was from. She was from like South America. But he was like, Jamaicans don't speak Spanish anyway.
So wait, but why he thought she was Jamaican because she was black?
No, it's not like he didn't think she was Jamaican, but he's just saying because she's black, he gonna call her Jamaican.
Wow.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. That don't make no sense. But why would he do it? What?
I have felt bad for her because I really liked her too.
I always feel bad for them teachers because I'm like, why are these kids talking to the teachers like that? Mm-hmm. Cursing at them and everything. I'm like, wow. Yeah, up here is different. Especially when I first moved up here and now in the 6th grade, I'm like, what? That's how y'all talk to y'all teachers up here?
6th grade is disrespecting teachers.
Yes, like when we first came here and the first grade we've been in went back in the 6th grade. Every grade I've been in, kids always disrespecting teachers. Like every grade, and I'm like,
I haven't seen that until high school.
What is going? No, middle school until high school. I'm like, what is going on? I used to be the quiet one just sitting there like, yeah, okay. I cannot talk to no teachers like that. Unpopular opinion. Those who ate mint chocolate ice cream are just weak.
It's just what?
Weak bitches.
I hate mint and chocolate together.
I've never had that, so
I think that is the most disgusting combination.
Mint and chocolate. Like,
besides pizza and pineapple.
Zondo.
I think it's up there with pizza and pineapples.
Nah. Alright, so on unpopular opinion, she's going to talk about that. Unpopular opinion, talking about pizza doesn't belong on pineapple. I mean,
it doesn't.
Pineapple doesn't belong on pizza.
Sweet shouldn't be on savory.
It tastes good.
It should be separate.
It tastes
disgusting.
Good. It tastes good.
That is nasty.
It tastes good.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
It does not.
Girl. Everybody tastes what is different, so.
What?
Everybody tastes what is different. Unpopular opinion. Horror movies with friends are comedy movies. I don't know about that. I
think so.
I don't like horror movies, so.
You be making jokes and stuff, but if you're watching it with your boo, you scared and you all like
all that.
Yeah.
See, I don't want to do none of that. I don't want to watch a horror movie at all. I hate it. Especially in the nighttime. In the nighttime, I can't watch it.
First of all, you only watch horror movies in the night.
I can't do it.
In the day, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense in the
I'd rather
day.
do it in the day because I'm the type of person, I'm going to go to bed. Unless I have to watch a comedy after. If I watch a horror movie and go to straight to bed, I'm having nightmares. Like, I'm having nightmares about what happened in the movie, or it's even worse. I can't do it.
You have to watch a horror movie in the night.
I guess it makes sense because it's a horror movie, but I
can't be scared if it's daytime.
I mean, you can. I can.
The point of a horror movie is to scare you.
I'll still be scared if it's daytime. But I'd rather watch it in daytime because I'm not going to watch other shows above it and then I'll go to sleep fine. But if I watch it at nighttime and I go straight to sleep, yeah, I'm having nightmares like crazy. It's not happening.
I don't have nightmares. I just be thinking about it.
Okay, unpopular opinion. If your elders don't respect you, you don't owe them any respect in return. I disagree with that.
I disagree with that too. Are you crazy?
I know, right?
These people, that think like that don't got no home training.
But honestly, okay, even though I disagree with that, I feel like people should respect people whether they're younger than you or not. Like, I feel like elders should respect younger people too. So, but they're your elders, so I feel like you should have more respect for them than anything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's very true.
Yeah. Who wrote this?
I don't know. A millennial. What they call them? Gen Z? What they call them?
Millennials? I don't know how to pronounce that word. Okay. Unpopular opinion. Just because your family doesn't mean you can't get the boot. If you're toxicity. What's that word? Toxicity. Toxicity. Yo, I cannot say this word. Toxicity. That word is too much to handle. Bye, cousin.
Wait, Wait, what? Can read it.
I mean, yeah.
Like you don't want to be going back and forth with a friend.
I agree.
It doesn't matter if a family member or a
Right,
friend.
family or
I'm
friend,
not going
both
back
everybody.
and forth with you
Yeah.
about crap.
Okay. Unpopular opinion. I'm not anti-social. I just be chilling. I don't be feeling the need to talk all the time. If you speak to me, I will speak back. That's me. That's me all the way.
That's me.
That's me all the way. But I feel like I'm anti-social too.
You feel like you're antisocial?
I feel like I'm antisocial. The thing is, like this part that says, "But if you speak to me, I will speak back." Yeah, but if you don't say anything, I'm not saying it to you. Yeah.
Same thing with me.
So, I think I'm antisocial, but I still agree with this one. Don't sit there and entertain me when you got other you entertaining too.
That's true. This ain't a circus.
Listen,
This is not a circus.
okay? It's either me or that. You choose, not both. Not gonna have your cake and eat it too over here. Okay. Ooh. If he pays for dinner, I got the tip. If he buys the movie tickets, I got the snacks and drinks. If he pays everything one night, I got the next date. It's a balanced relationship. That's how we roll.
That's pretty much how me and my husband
I agree
is.
with that. I feel like, but this part though, I feel like when you start talking to a guy, he's supposed to take you on a date first. He's supposed to always take you on a date first. And then after that, I'll be cool to pay for a date. I don't care about that, but take me on a date first. Like the first date, you pay for it. And after that, I don't mind paying for a date.
Or well, it depends on who invite who. Like if you be like, oh, no, but
I'm saying the first date is always the guy supposed to pay for it. That's what I'm trying to say. Mm-hmm. You don't agree with that? You don't think so? I feel like the first date, the guy supposed to always pay for the first date. I don't mind paying for a date, but the very first one when you start talking to me, you pay for it.
Me and my husband first date, I paid.
Oh well.
I don't know. When we first met, we really wasn't seeing each other like that. Mm-hmm. And I was like, I want to take you to this Thai restaurant. So I took him to the Thai restaurant.
That's cool. That's cool too. To each his own. To each his own. Yeah. But for me, I feel like honestly, I think I did that before too. I paid for a date the first time, but I always had it in my head that the first time a guy should always pay for a date.
Yeah,
I think it's only right, especially if you're trying to get to know somebody. Yeah, I feel like
I'm like, well, being my husband goes out, he mostly pays. Sometimes I'll pay, but he'll mostly pay.
Yeah,
like for the whole thing, and then I'll pay other times, but with us it is a balance. We do have a balance in paying for things.
I hear that.
It's not just all on him.
Yeah, 50-50. Mm-hmm. That's not supposed to be. I think some females just be like, oh, they want a guy that to pay for dates all the time. That is not cool.
It's not cool.
I don't mind paying for a date, but the first one you're gonna pay for it though. You're gonna pay for the first date.
But if I tell my husband like, oh, let's go here, whatever, I would most times if I say like, oh, let's go here, I will pay for it. But sometimes he does. If I be like, oh, I want to go here, and he'll take me. Yeah. Okay. Like it depends. Yeah. I mean, because it is 50-50.
It's supposed to be 50-50.
Yeah.
But okay, unpopular opinion. I don't do half siblings. That's my brother/sister. I don't care if you got a different parent. The love ain't no different.
I agree with that.
100%.
I hate hearing half brother, half sister. I hate hearing that. It's either y'all brothers or y'all not.
Yeah. Like, I have 3 other siblings from on my father's side. I don't call them my step brothers or whatever. Yeah. Or step siblings. I mean half. Yeah. I don't call them my half brothers or I have sisters.
I think that sounds
my sister.
terrible. Like
that's my sister. That's my brother. Like I don't.
Like, we only have siblings. Like,
Yeah.
Is your siblings or not? Like,
I never hear that. Like, I never hear that.
I don't like hearing that. It sounds.
I ain't never said
it
that.
sounds ridiculous
Yeah.
to me.
We got the same. We don't have the same mom, but we have the same dad, so we're still brothers and sisters. Where the half come from? I guess some people look at stuff different. But yeah, unpopular opinion: I can be completely alone and still enjoy myself 10 times more than I would if I had company.
Not 10 times.
Not 10 times more, but because that's a drag right there.
Like, no.
Not 10 times more, but I still enjoy my own company. Like, I love solidarity. Like,
me too.
Me by myself. I don't mind hanging with friends and stuff, but friends and family, but
hardly by myself. But when I am, it's very enjoyable.
Yeah.
Very enjoyable.
Yep. It's good to chill by yourself. You don't need company all the time. Unpopular opinion: forgetting to press send is a real thing. I did that before.
Really, I don't think maybe
so.
every now and then that'll happen to me, but not as much as some people say it.
Yeah,
happens to them.
I don't really do it as often. It's probably like a little, it's
like
not
once in a blue moon.
Yeah, I don't even remember doing it. That's what I'm lying. I did it the other day. I think I did it to you once. You did it to me. We were talking about
something.
Yeah, you said
I swore
you sent a message.
I swore I did.
Yeah, you did. I think that's something.
But it don't happen to me that often, though. You know why? Because I was distracted. That's why. Only when I'm distracted, that's when it happens.
Unpopular opinion: wearing uniforms was better than having to pick out regular clothes every day and less stressful.
I ain't gonna lie, it is. Because, in high school, you have to be like, oh, man, all my clothes gotta match. And then there was, like, one... It was either 1 year or, like, half a year. Because half a year, they enforced the uniform rule. And we were wearing it for a while. But then people just stopped wearing it. Then they just didn't bother. Yeah. People just ain't bother wearing it, so they just forgot about it. But during that half a year, I ain't have to worry about nothing. After that, I had to make sure everything matched. The belt gotta match the shoes. You gotta make sure you ain't wear the pants like 3 days ago.
Wait, you wear a uniform in what school? Middle school?
In high school.
A uniform in high school?
We did. I told you it was for like 6. They enforced it, and we did it for like 6 months. But people weren't like wearing it.
Okay.
Not like 6 months, but like half the year. And people weren't like wearing it, so it's like slowly but surely.
We were just
wearing regular clothes.
Damn. Did we wear uniform? No, I don't think we wear uniform in middle school. We don't definitely wear uniform in high school.
I feel like I never wore uniform ever, except for them couple of months in high school.
Well, in Jamaica, I wore a uniform, but when I came here, I don't think we wear uniform at all. Yeah, but I do remember we having like houses like. Wait. Oh wait, at one point we did wear uniform. Hold on, what grade was this? Was it 8th grade? Or was it 7th grade? I remember we had like blue and some colors. I think it was blue and black, or white and black. And it was called like Blue House. I don't remember. That was a long time ago. I'm 33. I don't remember. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, I was in like maybe 10th grade. They enforced it for like a couple of months, and then they forgot about it. Everybody forgot about it.
I think it was the same thing too. Some people didn't want to wear it.
Yeah, they kept saying, "Oh, you're gonna get suspended. You're gonna get this," but then when everybody is doing it, they can't suspend all of us.
Right.
So they just
left it alone.
So whatever.
Y'all just wear whatever y'all want. Oh wow, this is different. I never thought about this one. Unpopular opinion. Every time I walk into a movie theater, I think of what I'll do if someone comes in and comes in and hear this bitch out. I never thought about that.
I never thought about that.
I never thought about. Wow, I never thought about that.
I've never thought about that. That's something to think about.
Yeah, that is something.
In the future.
Okay, that was the last one. So guys, Yo, this thing. Kimberly made this Henny
Colada.
and I swear it slipped my mind when she said Henny because I never had a Henny, so now I'm just tipsy. Anyways,
The bartender always.
she's definitely a bartender. She be making drinks like all the time. What was that?
Yes, please. No, that was a Henny and cranberry and pineapple.
Oh, okay. 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 So, guys, this is the end of this video. We'll be back. So, see you later.